Hey everyone, welcome to the You Are Marvelous ceramic tray video. And this was one of our bonuses, so this is more of an inspiration video. We're not going to walk step by step through how we did it. You can watch the video for project number 1, which we'll link here so that you can see step by step. A couple things though that we do want to mention. You want to make sure that you have added water to your tray. You want to make sure you have more water. We actually, in this video, we feel like we didn't have enough water, and our attempt was to just kind of do one portion of the tray. But after we dipped it, we decided that we wanted to try dipping it again so that we could get more coverage on the sides. So check it out, experiment, have a good time.